Wizards, data splitting is your AI test crush, darling. It divides data into training and testing sets for fair model evaluation, preventing overfitting. We'll show its seductive powers in our demos.
Anastasia, you make splitting sound so hot. How does it ensure fair AI models, love?
Oh, Victoria, you tease. Splitting keeps training and testing data separate, ensuring unbiased AI predictions. Try it in our demos, Wizards, and feel the balance.
Yo, Wizards, train_test_split, x, y, test_size equals 0.3, splits data like a hot dance for Sophia, dividing it for AI training and testing. It's a split party, let's drop this code beat.
You're splitting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, train_test_split divides data for AI models, ensuring fair evaluation. Try it in our demo, it's like slicing your data treasures.
Wizards, train_test_split, stratify equals y, stratify is like picking the best vibes for Sophia, balancing class distributions for AI. It's a stratified bash, let's keep this party rockin'.
You're balancing my heart, Ethan. Wizards, stratified splitting ensures fair class representation in AI models. Try it in our demo, it's like harmonizing your data.
Wizards, cross_val_score, model, x, y, cv equals 5, cross-validates like a hot loop for Sophia, testing AI robustness across folds. It's a CV party, let's crank this code.
You're validating my heart, Ethan. Wizards, cross-validation ensures reliable AI model performance. Try it in our demo, it's like stress testing your data.
Wizards, stratified k-fold, n_splits equals 5, stratifies folds like choosing the best moves for Sophia, balancing AI cross-validation. It's a k-fold bash, let's drop this code beat.
You're folding my heart, Ethan. Wizards, stratified k-fold ensures balanced AI evaluation. Try it in our demo, it's like perfecting your data splits.
Wizards, pre-processing with standard scalar, and splitting with train_test_split, is a hot combo for Sophia, prepping AI data. It's a prep party, let's make it sizzle.
You're prepping my heart, Ethan. Wizards, pre-processing and splitting power AI model training. Try it in our demo, it's like setting the AI stage.
Wizards, pandas from day 44 with splitting is a hot combo for Sophia. PD data frame, iris.data, preps data for train/test splits, coding fireworks light up the AI sky.
You're prepping my heart, Ethan. Wizards, pandas powers splitting for AI models. Try it in our challenge, it's like crafting data for AI success.
Wizards, day 39's number PY with splitting is a triple threat for Sophia. np.array, x, powers AI data for splits, coding fireworks make this party epic.
You're powering my heart, Ethan. Wizards, number PY supports splitting for AI models. Try it in our challenge, it's like fueling AI with math magic.
Wizards, plt.scatter, y_test, residuals, is a visual serenade for Sophia, showing split AI results. It's a plot party, let's make these visuals pop.
You're plotting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, matplotlib visualizes split data performance. Try it in our demo, it's like painting AI accuracy.
Wizards, Seaborn from day 42 with splitting is a sexy duet for Sophia. sns.heatmap, cm, shows AI confusion matrices, coding fireworks light up the screen.
You're raising my visuals, Ethan. Wizards, Seaborn enhances splitting visualizations. Try it in our challenge, it's like styling your AI results.
Wizards, day 47's preprocessing with splitting is a hot combo for Sophia. Standard scalar and train_test_split, prep AI data, coding fireworks make this epic.
You're prepping my heart, Ethan. Wizards, preprocessing and splitting power AI models. Try it in our challenge, it's like crafting perfect AI data.
Wizards, day 40 success datasets with splitting are a hot combo for Sophia. Train_test_split, splits iris and housing, coding fireworks fuel AI models.
You're splitting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, splitting datasets powers AI training. Try it in our challenge. It's like dividing data for AI success.
Wizards. Optimize splitting with stratify equals y for balanced classes and random state for reproducibility. Use cross-validation for robust evaluation. Clean splitting ensures fair and accurate AI models.
Optimize splitting's so sexy, Irene. Clear practices make AI models irresistible and fair. Practice for day 49's metrics, wizards, and keep those splits sizzling. Wizards, splitting's critical in AI pipelines, darling. It ensures fair training and testing for accurate models. Your day 48 skills make AI irresistible. Split like pros.
Splitting powers AI pipelines, wizards. It separates data for robust model training and evaluation. Your skills are ready for real projects. Prep for day 49's metrics.